In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's options to manage it, like camera. Then tap on one of your apps, like Chrome, and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. You can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. Now don't tap on any of those options, just select See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!